KunDum Festival in Ghana. The Kundum Festival is a significant cultural event celebrated by the Ahanta and Nzema people of the Western region in Ghana. This vibrant and colorful festival is held annually between August and November, depending on the specific area within the region. The primary objective of the Kundum Festival is to foster unity among the people, give thanks to the gods and ancestors for a bountiful harvest, and seek their protection and guidance for the coming year. Origin and history. The origins of the Kundum Festival can be traced back several centuries, with various accounts suggesting that it began in the 16th century. According to local oral history, a hunter named Akpoley discovered the festival when he chanced upon a group of dwarves or spirits known as Tato dancing in a circle and singing Kundum. He brought the dance back to his community, and it was subsequently incorporated into the festival. The festival has since evolved to include several customs and rituals that revolve around the agricultural cycle, family, and community life. Customs and celebrations. The Kundum Festival lasts for a week or more and is marked by a series of rituals, ceremonies, and festivities. Here are some of the key highlights of the event. 1. Cleansing and consecration. The festival begins with the traditional leaders and the community members cleansing their homes, surroundings, and themselves. This is done to purify the environment and prepare for the festivities. Ancestral stools are also cleansed, and libations are poured to seek the blessings and protection of the gods and ancestors. 2. Kundum Dance. The Kundum Dance is a significant part of the celebrations. Participants wear colorful traditional attires known as kentes and dance to the rhythmic beats of drums, bells, and other musical instruments. The dance is performed in a circular formation, and it symbolizes unity, togetherness, and the continuous cycle of life. 3. Feasting. A variety of local dishes are prepared during the festival, with an emphasis on foods made from new yam and palm oil. Sharing meals among family members and visitors is a common practice, reinforcing the theme of unity and togetherness. 4. Processions. On certain days of the festival, processions are held where chiefs, queen mothers, and other community leaders parade through the streets, adorned in their full regalia, accompanied by drumming, singing, and dancing. 5. Traditional games and sports. Various traditional games and sports are organized during the festival, including wrestling, soccer, and stone throwing. These activities foster healthy competition and camaraderie among the youth. 6. Durbar of Chiefs. The climax of the Kundum Festival is the Grand Durbar of Chiefs, where all the traditional leaders and their subjects gather to pay homage to the paramount chief. This is an opportunity for the leaders to address the community on various issues and chart a course for development. Significance. The Kundum Festival is not only a celebration of the rich cultural heritage of the Ahanta and Nzema people, but also serves as a platform for promoting social cohesion, economic development, and unity. The event often attracts tourists from around the world, boosting the local economy and providing an opportunity for cultural exchange. In conclusion, the Kundum Festival is a vibrant and essential aspect of Ghanaian culture, showcasing the unique customs and traditions of the Ahanta and Nzema people. It is a time for reflection, thanksgiving, and recommitment to collective growth and development.